Hey, everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Professor's Dugout. And today we're going to do a little bit of hobby versus retail. Actually, I like doing retail versus hobby. There we go. We're going to open 12 packs. Six of them are from retail, six of them are on hobby. Let's see how we do. The last video of hobby versus retail was a little bit of a dud. I actually think retail did a little bit better with respect to at least getting me some rookies. But, that can happen. Let's see how we do with this one. So on the retail side, I actually have 3 packs of Topps Chrome 2019 Topps Chrome Update. These are my last 3 packs of those. We have 2 packs of 2019 Topps Series 2 and a pack of a hanger box of Topps Gypsy Queen. On the hobby side, I've got 2 packs of 2020 Topps Heritage, 2 packs of 2020 Series 1, and 2 packs of Topps Gypsy Queen. So let's see if we can get maybe some hard to find parallels from some of those. Maybe we'll get an autograph. Who knows? That's the fun about ripping packs. Let's go ahead. We'll start, as usual, we'll start off with the retail side. Yeah, we'll actually start with 2020. Nope. One pack. I think this has, 11 cards, I think? If I remember right. We should get 2 insert cards, but we'll see what we got. We got JD Martinez. Oh, that's nice. We got a Lewis Robert rookie. I always like to sleeve those up. Hopefully we'll have, I'm really hoping we have a baseball season this year, but it's looking bleaker and bleaker every day. It's getting kind of, not looking too hopeful. Rhys Hoskins, Ahmed Rosario, Patrick Corbin, somebody Marvell, I'm not sure who that is. King of Wands, Walker Bueller, Josh Stalmont, Kevin Newman, Kevin Kiermaier, and Eric Hosmer. So we did get, an insert. But I don't think we got anything else, unfortunately. Yeah, nothing else. Nothing else crazy, unfortunately. Oh, well, there we go. It's always disappointing because it always says find 2 inserts inside. And I think in every pack I've opened of that, I've only gotten 1. Okay, let's do Chrome Update, just because I think Topps Series 2 is fantastic and always worth holding to the last. Okay, Edwin Carcion, DJ LeMahieu, John Duplantier rookie, and hey, there's a Fernando Tatis, family business, but insert, but that's okay. It is a Tatis. I don't mind that. All right, next pack. Austin Meadows, Issei Kikuchi, Will Smith, rookie, that's not so bad, and Cal Quantrill. And last pack, did we get something thick? No, it looks like it's all base. Chris Paddock, JT Realmuto, Charlie Morton, and Manny Machado family business. So there you have it. That's Topps Chrome. Let's now look at these Topps Series 2 from 2019. Hopefully we can get a Pete or for Tatis rookie, maybe an Eloy. Only way we'll find out what we might get. Patrick Wisdom, Sean Newcomb. And we got a rainbow foil of Tim Hill. There's the Gary V Top Entrepreneurs insert set with Randy Johnson. Alex Wood. I don't think that's nope. Mike Fultonowitz, Kevin Kramer, rookie, Will Myers, Kenta Maeda, and Adam Simber. And then we got the San Francisco standouts of Will Thrill Clark and Buster Posey. All right, last pack on the retail side. Do we get something nice? Oh, we got a gold. Ahmed Rosario, Tampa Bay Rays. And we got a Jung-Ho Kang gold. And that is numbered out of 2019. 165 out of 2019. Not a big name, but still a numbered insert. Art Blyleven. These are iconic cards. Machado, Walker Buehler, Roxton, Chris Sale, JT Riddle, Nick Martini, J.A. Happ, Nicky Delmonico, and historic through the lines, 200 strikeout seasons, Bob Feller and Corey Kluber. So nothing crazy. We really just got 3 cards. We got a numbered Jung-Ho Kang. We got the Family Business from Topps Chrome Update for Fernando Tatis Jr. and Lewis Robert out of that hanger box of 2020 Gypsy Queen. Now let's take a look at 2019 Gypsy Queen. Not a ton of notable rookies in this, but you can get some nice stuff. There's a Trout right on top. Andrew Benintendi, Edwin Diaz, Jose Leclerc. There's a Michael Kopech rookie, Max Kepler, Kyle Wright, and Tanner Rourke. And let's take a look at the back, see if we got nothing crazy. Looks just like a base pack, but we did get the Michael Kopech rookie. Hopefully we'll get to see him pitch someday. I shouldn't be cynical. All right, next pack from the hobby side. Yu Darvish, Justice Sheffield, rookie, and we did get an Aaron Nola fortune teller, Zach Wheeler, Javi Baez, and James McCann. Let's see. Yep, nothing crazy. Really, the best card we've gotten so far is probably that Kopech. Either the Kopech rookie on the hobby side or that Trout. But let's see if we can get something better out of Topps Heritage. So this is the 1971 design, which is probably the best design from the 70s. Maybe 75, maybe 78. Most of the rest of them are hot messes. There's Brendan Rodgers. Is that a short print? Nope. But Corey Seager, I believe, is a short print because it is numbered above 400. At least we did get a short print. Domingo Santana, Freddie Freeman, Julio Terrian, and Nicky Lopez. So, at least we got a short print. Oh, sorry about that, folks. Oh, my son's just wanted to see what was going on. Brandon Woodruff, there's a then and now. Jim Palmer and Justin Verlander. Anthony Rizzo. Nothing crazy. All right. Next pack. 2020 Top Series 1. So we are looking for Yordan, Estrades, Gavin Lux, Dustin May. Good rookie crop. Hopefully we can get something nice. I don't mind getting that Austin Riley, and it looks like we did get a hit. We'll have to see what we got. Look at the other side. There's Michael Pineda. I think we got an autograph. Yes, we did. Ooh, who did we get? So we got 1985 Topps autograph baseball card of, who is it? It's a hitter. Jake Rogers from Detroit. So that is the hit of my box that I'm only about maybe a third of the way through. So, but not too bad. Usually, most of the time, it's just a memorabilia card. There we got actually a rookie card, an autographed rookie card. So I cannot complain about that. I will call that a successful box. And there we got Stremski, Kyle Hendricks, Cody Jones, James Paxton, Max Scherzer, Justin Verlander. We did get a Vladimir Guerrero Jr. insert. We got Javi Baez. Is that his regular issue? Yeah, that's his regular issue. And Chase Anderson rounds it out. So there you have it, folks. That's this week's Hobby versus Retail. Or that's at least my latest episode of Hobby versus Retail. We didn't get too much on the retail side. Tatis Chrome insert. Lewis Robert, Jung-Ho Kang. We didn't get a whole lot on the hobby side either, except for a Corey Seager short print, the Kopech rookie, but really the Jake Rogers rookie autograph card that's in the 1985 design makes that a pretty good winner. So there you have it, folks. What did you think about this week's Hobby versus Retail? Go ahead and leave a comment below. Feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will see you later.